Hi YouTube, it's Washer Crazy here. My mum and I went to Donnell Mills today and bought some like Tupperware storage boxes and mini boxes and also spag bowl spaghetti bolognese and dish. So I'm gonna freshen those up plus a plate as well. So yeah, I'm gonna freshen those up, give them a clean. Right, the program I'm going to, because they're new, I'm going to do a quick wash. Oh. Quick wash with, can't select any options. So let's go. Hot point spinning in the background, just on the final spin with a load of cottons coloured, so I've just done on coloured cottons 40. The dishwasher tab's dispensed itself, so 27 minutes left, and I'll catch up with this once it's finished.